Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share a milk pumping tutorial for mothers who are new to pumping and want to create a comfortable daily routine. For many mothers, pumping can feel a little overwhelming at first. There are different parts to assemble, settings to learn, and routines to establish. However, with a little practice, pumping often becomes a natural part of daily life. Before starting, always make sure your hands are clean and all pump parts are properly washed and assembled. Good preparation can help make the session smoother and more organized. Next, choose a comfortable place where you can sit and relax. Many mothers find that a calm environment helps them feel more comfortable during pumping sessions. Before turning on the pump, take a few moments to relax. Some mothers like to drink water, sit quietly, or prepare everything they need before beginning. When you start pumping, begin with a gentle setting. There is usually no need to rush or immediately choose the strongest setting. A steady and comfortable approach often works best. If milk does not begin flowing right away, do not worry. It is completely normal for the body to take a few minutes to respond during the beginning of a session. During pumping, try to stay comfortable and maintain a consistent routine. Many mothers find that regular sessions become easier over time as they gain experience. After the session is finished, carefully transfer the collected milk into a clean storage container and label it if necessary. Finally, wash all pump parts thoroughly and allow them to dry completely before storing them for the next use. Remember that every mother's journey is unique. Finding the routine that works best for you may take time, and that is perfectly normal. With patience, consistency, and good organization, pumping can become a simple and manageable part of your daily schedule. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.